Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Printify to Etsy. So all you need to do is open Printify, open any browser and then search for Printify, open the first link and then sign in to your account or create an account. And then when you are in Printify, you simply press on when you are on the dashboard, you simply press on My New Store and then press on Add New Store. Now you select Etsy. You will see to input your credentials. I don't need to do this since my Etsy account is already open here. So all we need to do is just to authorize the connection between Etsy and Printify. Just press on Grant Access. Now you can see that my Etsy shop is already connected, but this is how you can do this. And then you need to have already created an Etsy shop in Etsy, and that's it. You simply follow the prompts here of how you will get paid, how name your shop, shop preferences, share your billing info and your shop security, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.